Hi and welcome to this unboxing for a Warburtons perfect fit for toasty bread 2-slice toaster by Breville. I currently have a Tefal Toast and egg which I've had since 2011, but for that it does the egg bit quite well, but the toast, it pops out on one end. It takes a while for it to toast, so it doesn't really do toasting very well, and I don't really use the egg bit that much, maybe use it like 2 or 3 times a year. So I thought I would go crazy and get a proper toaster. Apparently it's perfect fit for Warburtons. So this is how it arrived from Amazon. It just literally is in the box. They don't bother with packaging. As you can see, my address is on there. So let's just get it open. Turn on your creativity. Toast on the top every time, variable width bread slots lift and look feature, so you can actually lift it up, see how it's going while it's cooking. I have heard about 2 or 3 is about the right amount for nicely toasted stuff. Toast at the top, lift and look, so you can check your toast mid-cycle. Variable browning control for the perfect slice, reheat, cancel and defrost functions, so you can cook toast from bread from frozen. Extra high lift when toasting bagels or crumpets, so if you're a crumpet guy like me, I do, so I eat Warburtons crumpets and breads. So it's not actually sealed or anything, which is a bit strange. There's no seal on the box, this just comes in as is. So instruction manual, I have already read this on a PDF. So it just comes in 2 polystyrene boxes here. It looks quite cool, it's got a nice silver finish to it. Unfortunately, the length of the power cable is only 80 centimeters. The bread carriage will not stay down unless the toaster is connected to the main supply.